So guys, once you're on VMware Workstation Pro, in the top left, you want to click on File, and now you want to click on New Virtual Machine. And now this will come up. I'm going to go with a typical installation, and then click on Next. You can install it from either a disk image file, which is an ISO, or you can install the operating system later. For me, I want to be using an ISO file of Windows 11. If you're looking for a Windows 11 ISO file, just go to any web browser and then type in Windows 11 ISO and then select Download Windows 11. And now you want to scroll down and you can download it from here. You can then browse for it and you can find it. Now once you select the operating system that you want to install and the way how you want to install it, then you want to click on Next. You can now set your virtual machine name. You can keep it on the default or you could just put any name that you want. And you can now choose a location of where you want to install your virtual machine. It's going to take up quite a bit of space, so I would install it on a drive with a lot of space on it. I'm going to click on Browse. I'm going to install it to my drive right here. And now once you've set your location where you want to install it, you want to click on Next. I'm going to keep my encryption type on the default. It's up to you what you want to go with. And now you just want to set a password. And now once you've set your password, you want to click on Next. You can choose your maximum disk size. I'm going to go with the recommended option, which is 64 for this ISO. I'm going to go with this right here. So I'm going to leave it on the default option for me, which is 64. You can now choose to either split your virtual disk into multiple files. This is good if you want to move your virtual machine to a different computer. For me personally, I store my virtual disk as a single file because I'm not going to use this virtual machine on a different computer. It's up to you what you want to go with though. And then click on Next. We can now customize the hardware. You can set how much RAM that you want your virtual machine to have. For me, I've got 32 gigabytes of RAM on my computer, so I'm going to put this to 8. If you have 16, I'll probably put it to 6 or maybe even 8 as well. It's up to you because if you're using Windows 11, for me personally, I feel like 4 is not enough, but you can try 4 as it's recommended as well. So you can try 4. If it's not enough, then you can make it higher. We can now go to the Processes tab. I'm going to make the number of processes 1 and the number of cores per processor 4. It's up to you what you want to go with. I'm also going to tick Virtualize Intel VT or AMD VRVI. You can go through these other settings as well. For me personally, I'm trying to keep it on the default. And now I'm going to close out of this. If you want, you can power on your virtual machine after creation and then click on Finish. It's now going to create the disk. It should now launch our virtual machine. That's how you do it. If it's not full screen, then you can go to the View tab and you can change up these settings right here.